Good morning, guys. This morning has been crazy. The amount of profits that are coming back into the market now is just nuts. Okay, did you guys see the Matic video? Let's just start here. We are currently up 33% on Matic this morning. I've been continually moving the stop loss in the Telegram channel for all of our traders here because it just keeps moving up. Also, the Ethereum trade is in the profit. We've already taken a profit here. I just moved that stop loss up as well. And guys, today's video, Solana, we are getting very close to being the profit as well for this. Everything that goes down will come back up. It has always been time to buy the dip. That's what we want to be doing. Okay, let me give you guys a quick update over here. We are currently sitting at 91 for 91 wins on this channel. We have never lost a crypto trade, and these are not small little scalping moves for 1 to 2% in the market. We are averaging between 10 to 15%, and if we start going up into the bull market again, our average is definitely going to be going up to about 15 to 20. Even Matic right now on our 50%, we took our first 50% out here at around, let me give you guys exact targets here. First 50% was 13.85. We have a stop loss locked in here for profit at 26.74% and overall up 32.69% right now. It is crazy. All right, I'm just so jacked on here. I will show you guys in the second half of this video exactly how to get into our Telegram channel over here, as well as how to actually get into every one of our trades so you never have to miss a win that we take again. I'll show that to you guys in the second half. I want to honor you guys who have been here for a while and look at the basically what's going to happen with Solana here. I'm going to look at the metrics. I'm also going to look at the indicators. So let's dive right in. What we're seeing here is the trend exhaustion is pushing up into the top red section and the well money flow is getting high. Why do I always tell you guys about this? Why am I just one of the ridiculous broken records about this? This is because these two indicators, as well as the trend dashboard, these are calling the drops in the market. They are also calling the pumps in the market before they happen. There's no better technical analysis you can do than having indicators that help you guys call the tops and the bottoms. Let me prove this to you. Were we able to predict the crash? Yes, it is very obvious to us on our end because we saw divergence. If you don't know what that is, follow this video and understand this. Divergence is whenever you have price structure moving up, creating higher highs and higher lows. You can call that too. An uptrend is two things and only two things: higher highs and higher lows. Great. We have uptrends formation here. If you look straight down, what we got here was a high and a lower high. Money, as well as the trend exhaustion, printed a lower high. What does this mean? This is showing a downtrend, and this is showing a downtrend, while the price action shows what, guys? An uptrend. This is how you call market moves opposite in the market. The market is moving up, the move back down is what we're calling. Watch the last Solana video I did. I was coming out here calling an exit on here. Anybody in a long trade, take your profits. Thing's going to crash. I did not expect, full transparency, I did not expect it to head down that far. So I'm not going to be arrogant here and be like, I expect it to go down. No. I was expecting to see at least a minimum drop back down to the descending support line here, but we end up crashing there. How are we able to predict that? With these two indicators. Watch this over here again. Last time we pushed up into the top red section up here very strongly was this area. And what happened? Solana could not go up any higher. We saw a drop in Solana. Great. We saw this move up here. Right when we got into the top red section, we saw the move back down. Guys, we're using these indicators all the way throughout our trades here so we can end up predicting market moves back down. When this pushes up in the top section, we are seeing a move up here. This is not where the price can keep going up. Money starts to flow out of the market. The trend exhaustion starts to show divergence to the downside while you get a higher high. This shows a lower high, showing us where reversals happen. This is how we're able to call drops. Now, let's bring us to the forefront here and see what is so clear staring at us in the face here. It is a huge signal here for a possible drop back down. We've been very bullish. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4 green candles in a row on the 4-hour time frame. This is looking like we could see a move back down here. Now, if it doesn't, and it does move up here very fast, I am looking for a resistance here right around the area of about $208, okay? That's where I'm looking at. Really quick here to show you guys a trend dashboard, and we'll go over the metrics here. This is what the retail trader indicators are looking like right now. Their RSI, stochastic, and MACD is all bullish, but all of their moving averages are still bearish. This is why I do not use any of these indicators. It's just too complex and it's going to throw your guys' mind off. Because here's what you're going to do right now. Okay, we're underneath the moving averages, so if I'm trading with momentum, technically I should be shorting this market or selling because the momentum under moving averages shows a short. Well, all my other retail indicators are in here showing us that we should be going long because these are the indicators that are in a bullish uptrend right now. What do? Like, get rid of these and just get the trend exhaustion the trend dashboard so you guys can actually just spy on the retail traders. just know right now that I am looking at this and I know retail traders are confused because they're getting conflicting signals right now with momentum trading with the trend as well as their indicators that they use to call, moves up and moves down. Here's how simple this is. The price versus while money flow trend exhaustion. Is it in the top section? Yes, I'm looking for a drop. Is it in the bottom section? Yes, I'm looking for a pump back up. That is it. That is all the technical analysis you guys need to do is these two indicators. Is it on the bottom section? We're expecting to move back up. Is it at the top section? I'm expecting to move down. That is literally what we're doing, and we have never lost a single trade over here with our risk management indicators and metrics. All right, let's go over here and let's go to Solana because I want to show you guys what we're looking at here. Okay, this is all going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I'm sorry if I'm just too excited for some people. Guys, I'm jacked here because I see you guys making the profits over here and you're doing insane. Some of you guys are finally trading for a living because you're putting money into this market and you're actually making some crazy profits in here of like thousands of dollars here. This guy, real quick, I'm not going to turn this into a testimonial video. This guy made 50% profit in his account, not using leverage at all, guys. And he did 25 for 25 winning trades using our system in the last 6 weeks. $20,000 in crypto and stocks just using the trend exhaustion and the price versus while money flow. These metrics, these indicators, this system works. I'm trying to prove that to you guys with our win rate over here, okay? So let's come over here and let's look at this. We are currently sitting in the neutral section for Solana. Well, obviously, that's where we're at yesterday. Coming today, I think we're going to see somewhat of the same. We're not pushing up to really high highs. We're not going to really low lows. This is not showing, in my opinion, a lot of greediness or fearfulness. It's just sitting in the middle. This makes sense emotionally. It's crazy how well this indicator calls emotions in the market. Now let's take a look at this. Short trades are increasing on the blockchain, while long trades are arguably moving downward in the last 2 to 3 weeks. Okay, short trades coming out is what I'm looking for as far as is pressure on the market. Is there more pressure for short trades or long trades? That's really what this metric is telling me over here. And what I'm seeing here is that it's showing that there's more pressure for shorts. So not only is our price versus while money flow and trend exhaustion showing that we're pushed to the top sections here, I am also seeing some pressure from short trades in the market that we could be pushing back down, which is a bearish signal. Okay. Long versus short trade risk. We are definitely pushed into the good long trade section over here based off the drop that we had. Now, obviously, we moved up from here. Now, I want you guys to watch this because most likely we're probably pushed up into the neutral section here because we saw a little bit of move back up here. Take a look at the Well Institution and Smart Money. If you guys want the literal best metric that if I were to rank these, I would say the Well Institutional Smart Money, as well as the emotional index up here and long versus short trades. These are absolutely incredible indicators and metrics to be looking at. This is literally showing you guys what smart money is doing. Smart money will always buy the drop. Dumb money will always buy the pump. If that makes sense, guys. Dumb money, it's not being derogatory. It's literally a trading term. It's called dumb money. Dumb money uses emotions to trade. Smart money uses, I don't know, let's call it mathematics. I don't know, pick a word. Point being is that if you guys are following us on this channel, we are always trading with Wells and institutions and smart money. Okay, we have them in our channel. We have multiple millionaires trading in our channel, and that's why you guys sometimes see the price fluctuate on some of these other altcoins that don't have huge market caps. Like we have really big traders in our trading platform over here because you guys understand the accuracy of what we're calling over here. What you're seeing is when the market is getting fearful. If you're watching this, long trades are in the market. We are seeing behind the charts and we're like, okay, look at what's happening, guys. The whole market's crashing. What are we going to do? Well, we're sure not going to sell. We're going to get into buy limits so we can ride this back up. All right, guys, now that we're in profit, the whole market thinks we're going to go up and we're going to go to the moon. What's happening? We see over here on the metric, nope, guys, in the corner, short trades are coming out. Wells institutions are shorting. All right, cool. Let's take, profit on our long trades and let's get out of the market before it crashes back down. Like guys, that is literally what we're doing. And this is calling exactly what's happening before it happens. What's happening right now? It's not time to be selling on this. Like, look at what happened as that moved down. We already saw this move back up here into precursor. What happened? Long trades move into the market, moving the price back up. Guys, this is where you need to be hanging out. This is why we haven't lost any trades yet. This is pretty clear. Once you guys see this, you're like, okay, I get it. I understand these are working really well for you guys. You come over and join us. I'll show you like literally in 30 seconds here how to take our trades and get over here and trade with us. Support resistance prices. And it's just super fun to be part of this team because we just have like a blast. What we're looking at here is if we start seeing a move up, the greatest structure of resistance is right around 226, 250. These are psychological quarters theory levels. So 225, let's look at 225 real quick. 225 puts us right around this area, right around this like strong resistance here. 250 puts us right around this area up here. Awesome. I personally think, look at this, we're already starting to see a drop back down. I bet you guys Matic is dropping down a little bit right now. Yeah, we're a little bit coming down from our high from about 34%. So I'm keeping an eye on this because we're in this trade right now. What I want you guys to watch here is this descending resistance line. Yes, I know it's been broken twice, broken once, broken twice, but it will still hold true because it's such a strong visual structure. This can start coming up here, and like I mentioned, you guys, 208 is where I expect to see a drop back down if we head there. If not, actually just start moving down from here. If this keeps moving up, awesome. I'm just going to end up calling an exit here, and we'll probably take, between 5 to, I would look to try to take some profit up here around 10%. So we're probably going to make this our 90 second winning trade because we're at 91 right now, okay? Moving down here, looking at dollar cost average entries. If you guys have $10,000, you want to throw $1,000 into the market every single time you get a green line. And look, guys, just hold for 5 to 10 years. These are incredible entries. Everybody's in the profit who's traded with this metric on our channel. Everyone. And you guys just threw money in to hold for the long term. Best metric on the market, in my personal opinion. I've looked at Glassnode, CryptoQuant, all those. I've had memberships with those as well. You guys want to make sure you're watching this. Very good metric for that. This is the exit metric, which basically shows us where are we looking for possible high moves in the market before we see crashes back down. Now, are we going to get crashes every single time on point, on cue? No, that is not what this metric is supposed to do and call every single drop perfectly. What this does, it says, hey, if we're in a long trade, look to maybe exit 50 or 25% of your trade to basically scale out of it before we start seeing big moves back down. This is what we're doing over here on Matic. I know I'm referencing Matic today a lot, but as this market gets overextended, we are moving our stop loss up and we are locking in these profits. It's why the account is over $100,000 now that you guys can see over here. And we're look, literally just from the last video I did, we're at 400. So we're up another we're up about another $400 in the last 10 minutes. So the count is going up by hundreds now, obviously because we're at a higher amount here, but the market's going up. And what you don't want to do is look at your account, get in here and say, oh my gosh, we're going to push to 102,000. No, forget that, guys. You simply need to stick to risk management and you need to be following what I'm doing over here because I'm going to keep us safe in here. I don't care if this goes to the moon and we get tagged out here. We are looking for consistent profits that we can compound over and over again. I can't tell you how many emails I got from people who over leveraged their accounts and they blew their account on this move down here, guys. And our account only went down a maximum, I think I posted in Telegram, 7.6%. 7.6% was all we went down, and now we're pushing back into the profit here, and we're doing great. It's because of the risk management we're using. If you guys want to get into pump coins, get into pump coins. You guys can play the emotional jackpot roller coaster of pump coins if you want. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to keep our traders safe, and that's why we have a lot of millionaires in our Telegram channel taking our trades because they can see, I want to keep my money safe, but I also want to make some good profits. That's what we're doing, guys. So this is what you want to do. Come over here and join us. It is $49 a month. That's all it is. It is so ridiculously cheap. I am going to be upping the price of this, so I will grandfather all of you guys in, no matter what the price goes to. $49 a month. That will give you guys access to all the metrics as well as the entries for all of our trades in the Telegram channel, which is very important so you guys can see the exits I'm calling. Sign up for this today. That will give you guys access to all of the metrics here, and it will give you guys access to the live trades. Let's calm down here a little bit. Take this a little bit slower. Every single one of our 91 wins that we have ever won here, guys, has been called from this channel. The video I did yesterday, I think it was on Ethereum. Guys, some of the YouTube comments are just getting ridiculous. So I'm like staying away from YouTube comments. If you guys have a question for me, honestly, that's really honest and you guys want help, email me at btradeconfident@gmail.com. Honestly, because there's like this thing going around being like, Travis isn't keeping us, or what? I'm sorry, let me code this correctly. I'm only saying this because it got a lot of likes here. But what I want to say is, people were saying Travis isn't being honest with us about the trades that we're in with ADA that were lost these trades. Guys, I am in this trade with you, and we're simply down because the market moved down. I'm not exiting this trade because we're simply waiting for it to come back into the profit. Guys, these trades are holding still, and we are holding these trades until we're in the profit. We have not lost any trades until you have to exit a trade in the negative to actually lose a trade. You need to have patience and wait for these market moves to come back up. I'm in this exact trade with you guys, so I'm not saying that we've won in trades or anything like that. Follow the Telegram channel, guys, please. Oh my gosh, I don't know what to do with some comments. It's just actually like silly what people come out with these days. Please, guys, email me if you have any questions and I will help you. Okay, come over to Bitcoin. You can't lose a trade, guys, unless you actually sell and you lose the trade. If we haven't closed the trade in the negative, we are simply holding, and you need to practice the emotion of patience. And that's what we're going to be doing on ADA. All right, sorry, just kind of being silly a little bit right now. Look at this, guys. 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time every day. This is when our indicators and metrics update. Here's what you guys are going to do. Pay attention with me. You guys take whatever trade amount that you guys want to trade each of our coins with. Let's call it $1,000. Take $1,000, split it into 4 equal portions. Let's say it's $250. If you have $4,000, what would it be, guys? It would be $1,000, 25%. You are simply going to go through all of our trade setups today, whatever you guys want, and set up your buy limits. So buy limit 1, buy limit 2, buy limit 3, and buy limit 4. Each of these buy limit prices are going to have 25% of your trade allocation. So that would be $250 in this example. Set them up right now. I'm not your financial advisor. Please, as it states on the website, consult your financial advisor before entering these trades. You guys are going to put 25% at each buy limit. Once your first buy limit is hit, this is how we're winning all the trades, guys. Once your first buy limit is hit, set a sell limit up here on the green price. Now, most likely what I'm going to do is call an exit in the Telegram channel before we ever get to that exit point, the sell limit, which is going to be 100% of the trade. So make sure you guys are logging into Telegram on your phone or your computer first, and then click this once you guys have our membership, and that will give you guys a link directly into our membership over here where I'm calling exits and keeping track of every single win with timestamps over here. Sorry, let me pull this over here. Got it. I understand. Running low on data. I'm coming out with timestamps for everything. This is how I keep everything transparent and honest with you guys. Look at the timestamps on all this of when we entered into the trades. If you guys want, let me just be really clear about this, because this will clear up some things that you guys are talking about on the comments. Some of you guys are getting a little confused. The trades that you see on YouTube here, these are trades that we're managing that we've already gotten into. You guys can actually take other trades on the website and get better positions. Here's an example, ADA. If you guys get into our buy limits, and let's say you get triggered in down here, you're going to be in your first buy limit. We're going to be already hitting our third because I'm managing this trade. I will never take this trade off this video because I will not be manipulating any of you guys and be like, oh, by the way, let's just push this trade under the rug. No, I'm going to keep this. If we have to keep this trade on this video here for the next 3 months, I will keep it on here for 3 months because I want you guys to see the integrity here. We're going to manage this all the way into either a loss when I officially call a loss if it is, or when we get into a profit. Everything will be kept transparent. I promise you guys of that, okay? You have my word. Everyone in the Telegram channel knows this is true, all right? So coming over Solana to finish this up, guys, I want you guys to set this up, get in the Telegram channel, and then make sure you guys are getting the indicators. The best deal on indicators right now is simply this. 81% off everything we have. You want to get this because I am going to be upping the price of the price versus the well money flow, as well as the trend exhaustion in the next months to come, okay? Make sure you guys get this. At minimum, make sure you're getting these 3. There's a reason why I never take these 3 off my YouTube channel. And there's a reason why, guys, that they're always in every single screenshot in the Telegram channel for calling exits when I call out here, hey, price versus well money flow, trend exhaustion. I think I literally just did a post with this in here. Yeah, look at this, trend exhaustion, price versus well money flow. I'm telling you guys how I'm using these and what I'm looking at in the market to call exits. This is what you guys need to be using if you're trading other coins. And definitely, I'm not going to be able to call profitable exits on every single time because I'm going to be sleeping. You're in different time zones. I'm going to be taking our baby to go, my wife and us, we're going to go grocery shopping. We're going to go out to eat. You guys need to have these on your chart so you guys can see exits in the market, so you guys can manage this yourself if I'm not able to come out and call an exit. There's many times you're going to be in other trades than what I show on YouTube because you're just getting to different entries where you guys want to take exits. All right, guys, long enough video. Let's end it here. You guys are amazing. God bless you so much. Make sure you guys are getting the indicators set up below. 81% off. You guys get the source codes to all of those. I will be upping the prices of those, so make sure you guys get those. Make sure you guys are getting your membership for $49 a month before that goes up in price. Best membership you guys can get for trading crypto. I honestly believe this, not to be arrogant, but we do have, from what I've seen, the highest win rate on all of YouTube. Possibly other platforms. Who knows? Whatever. The point is, I'm going to keep you guys safe because we've been trading in here, and this I do believe is the best membership you guys can get. That'll give you access to the metrics as well as the indicators and the live trades in the Telegram channel. Make sure you guys are setting yourself up in the Telegram channel, get your indicators set up, as well as getting into the actual website where you're viewing the buy limits for our next trades if we start seeing this crash back down. I am expecting to see a nice little move back down here on Solana. If not, a move up here to 208, watch for that drop up here, and then a move back down. If we get into the profit, I will be calling an exit, and we will be going 92 for 92 wins because we are currently 91 for 91 wins on this channel. God bless you guys so much. I'll see you later. Everything you need is in the description. I'll see you guys. Bye-bye. Have a good one.